Uganda is a nation in East Africa known for its varied geography and agricultural practices. Among its many crops, bananas play a central role in daily life and the national economy. For generations, Ugandan communities have depended on bananas as a primary source of food. Similar to how rice functions in several Asian cultures, bananas in Uganda are more than a food item. They form the basis of everyday nutrition for a large portion of the population. Historical records and local traditions indicate that banana cultivation in Uganda has been an integral part of its agricultural practices for centuries. Today, this long-standing relationship continues to influence the country's social and economic landscape. In recent years, Uganda has become a leading producer of bananas. In 2023, the country produced approximately 10 million tons of bananas. This production level places Uganda at the top of banana-producing nations in Africa and as the world's second-largest producer, after India. Approximately 75% of the Ugandan population includes bananas as a primary component of their diet. The industry contributes about 28% of the nation's revenue, with exports generating significant income. These figures illustrate the quantitative importance of bananas in Uganda's economy. The production process involves thousands of smallholder farmers as well as larger-scale agricultural operations. The industry supports extensive networks of distribution and trade, both domestically and internationally. Detailed statistical reports indicate that the banana sector's output and revenue generation are critical to Uganda's overall economic performance. Large-scale banana production in Uganda results in considerable agricultural waste. The waste generated includes not only banana peels, but also rejected fruits, leaves, stems, and fibers. These components can constitute up to 80% of the total weight of a banana plant. In many urban areas, the existing waste disposal systems are not adequately equipped to manage these high volumes, leading to the accumulation of waste in landfills and open areas. The environmental impact of unmanaged banana waste is significant. The decomposition process in landfills produces methane, a greenhouse gas that contributes to air pollution. Quantitative data on waste volumes and methane emissions have prompted research into better waste management strategies. This data is used by government agencies and agricultural experts to assess and plan improvements in waste processing. Efforts to address waste management challenges have led to the exploration of alternative uses for banana byproducts. One area of development involves composting. Farmers employ two main methods: anaerobic composting, which takes place in pits and produces biogas, and aerobic composting, which involves the controlled decomposition of waste in open piles. Both methods yield nutrient-rich compost that improves soil structure and supports further agricultural productivity. Another innovative use of banana waste is the processing of banana stems into fibers. These fibers have found applications in the production of textiles and crafts. Data from local production facilities indicate that converting banana fibers into marketable products has generated additional income for farmers. Moreover, some emerging products include biodegradable items such as hair extensions and vegan leather. These products are being developed with a focus on reducing environmental impact while contributing to economic diversification. Recent economic reports show that Uganda's economy grew by 6.8% in the first half of 2022, with agriculture playing a significant role in this increase. The banana sector in particular is recognized for its contribution to economic growth. Efforts are underway to modernize the industry by mechanizing certain processes, although manual labor continues to be the primary method for most operations. Over 60% of the workforce in the banana sector remains engaged in manual tasks, reflecting the sector's reliance on traditional agricultural practices. In parallel, sustainability initiatives have been integrated into the banana production process. Investment in eco-friendly production methods is increasing, as seen in government-supported programs aimed at reducing agrochemical use. These programs are based on data-driven strategies to lower environmental impact while maintaining production levels. The development of the banana fiber industry also falls under these initiatives, with targeted training programs intended to improve skills and create job opportunities for local populations. Economic analyses of these programs have demonstrated their potential to contribute to both environmental and economic objectives. Despite the successes in production and waste management, Uganda's banana industry faces challenges related to cultivation practices. The predominant cultivation of a single banana variety, the Cavendish, has resulted in limited genetic diversity. This monoculture approach increases the vulnerability of crops to diseases and pests. Studies indicate that reliance on agrochemicals, while effective in the short term, poses risks over the long term by potentially weakening plant health and increasing susceptibility to infestations. Scientific research in Uganda is now focused on developing genetically modified bananas that may offer enhanced resistance to diseases and improved nutritional content. This research involves collaboration between local scientists, government agencies, and international partners. Investment in these initiatives is seen as critical to maintaining stable production levels and ensuring food security. Future strategies are expected to incorporate a mix of genetic improvements and sustainable farming practices to achieve long-term stability in banana production. The development of Uganda's banana industry offers a range of perspectives. From an economic standpoint, the high production volume and significant contribution to national revenue underscore the importance of bananas as a staple crop. Detailed statistical analyses support the industry's role as a major contributor to agricultural exports and domestic food security. From an environmental perspective, the challenges related to waste management and agrochemical use are quantifiable and demand technical solutions. Environmental impact assessments have documented the levels of waste and the resulting methane emissions, providing a basis for improving current practices. Innovations in composting techniques and fiber processing represent measurable efforts to convert waste into resources. Looking forward, the future of Uganda's banana industry will depend on the continued application of objective, data-driven strategies. Future plans include the expansion of sustainable production methods, improved waste management systems, and the integration of scientific advances in crop genetics. Economic forecasts based on current production and export figures indicate that the banana industry will remain a key sector in Uganda's agricultural economy. The industry's evolution will be closely monitored through statistical indicators such as production volume, export revenue, and environmental impact measurements. Researchers and policymakers alike are utilizing these indicators to develop policies that promote efficient production and sustainable practices. As the global community increasingly focuses on food security and environmental conservation, the lessons learned from Uganda's banana industry are likely to be of interest on an international scale. In conclusion, Uganda's banana sector is characterized by high production volumes, significant economic contribution, and measurable environmental challenges. Data collected over recent years provide a clear picture of both the achievements and the areas requiring improvement. Moving forward, objective analysis and continued research will be essential in guiding the industry toward sustainable development and long-term productivity. From its historical importance to its current challenges and future prospects. By focusing on verifiable data and measurable outcomes, the progress and complexities of this sector are clearly outlined. As Uganda continues to develop and implement innovative solutions, the evolution of its banana industry remains a topic of both national and international significance.